Well, guys, as you can see here, early morning, and reminds Dr. Z that old saying from a book that солнце еще не успело взойти, в стране дураков уже кипела работа. So, to be specific, here is a message Dr. Z is writing to the president of this organization. So, he registered to attend the conference of Georgia teachers of mathematics and just received an email from the president. And then he wrote those specific suggestions. And that is where we need your opinion. Is it the right way to approach it or not? So it will be posted at the part of epistolgy. You're supposed to come and give your rating. Well, if Dr. Z waits for that, it will never happen because nobody comes to that website and nobody does anything. So he will have to send it first, but pretty reasonable suggestions. Number one, there are science fairs and they have math category. All these projects are being discarded. Post online. Give students an opportunity to present their work. And at the same time, they can build teams. Students next year come. Don't start from scratch. They take what there is, make it better. This is a simple idea, and Dr. Z failed to convince very, very good and passionate educator that this makes sense and it's easy to do because we already have that. Like, this is a gallery for beginning algebra. You click on this opens, and students can use this to create their own problems. Just click this button and opens here in this tool, and they change the numbers and then provide a solution. And that's all. Easy. And we can add links of sponsors and nonprofit organizations like this is Students Veterans of America. We need to help sponsors to help you. They will save on online advertising if they give money to you. That's the whole idea behind it. Now, you don't have to run and look for sponsors. They will come to you if they see that, yes, the work that you post attracts attention and people see their links. That's it. And this is a project-based learning by itself plus service learning. And we can use it as a fundraising platform. So he didn't discuss this that much, but refer to our science fair. Okay, sciencefairs.org. You see, there is this platform right here. Explains everything, and they can do it. And you go here, Florida, and the Gallery of Florida Science Fairs. Look, all these people conduct science fairs, but not this year. This year, the state science fair was canceled. This is terrible. And the idea here is we have different categories. One of them is math. So Dr. Z is proposing right here that we will sponsor prizes for the science fair's math categories. And he said we will send details if you're interested. And the second, the suggestion is now we're going to their very good Very good. Right. So a lot of cool stuff here. Okay. Now find the link to sponsors. I couldn't. Well, again, we can have a most valuable sponsor reward, and we will sponsor it. We have already sponsors, so this organization doesn't have to put money. It's difficult to raise. Well, we're trying to create a system when sponsors will run after you. Right now, we are running, hey, give us support. Now, we want to make a situation when they run after us and say, hey, please take my money. We want you to use it and show on the website how it's being used. So Dr. Z missed these 2 dates, but he is hoping to be here, and we'll keep you posted. It's a real life, everyday life game. It's a part of his life. We'll see if he can learn from previous mistakes and play this game more or less in a format that makes sense to other people. And you will see how you can leverage what you do, whatever you do, and get support.